Hello everybody, it's Patrick Martin with Sotheby's. How are you? We are live at my newest listing, which is 853 South Sierra Bonita. Right there, you can see it right there. There we go. Really gorgeous house, fully renovated top to bottom. My clients bought it about 8 years ago and then spent the last 2 years renovating. It's on a wonderful street called Sierra Bonita, which is a very quiet street. I'm going to reverse the camera so you can get a sense of the street. The street has got just beautiful, mature foliage up and down the street. Really a nice street as well because it's kind of a non-through street. At this end of the street is 8th Street. It doesn't quite go to Wilshire, so there isn't the cut-through traffic that you'll see on other streets where there's a stoplight on both ends. And then on this other end of the street, as we walk down, is Olympic. And you can just see the incredible mature growth everywhere. Super friendly neighborhood. You can see a bunch of kids here next door and a family. Lovely little houses on the street. Let's take a look inside. We'll stop here real quickly, and this is the front yard, which my clients did a brilliant job of use of drought-tolerant xeriscape. So these require very little water. They're all on a drip system. There's no formal grass here at this property. Come up the driveway, which can accommodate several cars. There's a gate here on the left, and there's a Tesla charger right behind that gate. So when you move in with your new Tesla, you've got a place to plug it in. Again, everything has been redone, everything, including, like I said, the roof, which has solar, and that charges monthly and costs are about $20 a month just for the hookup fee. So here we are, but before we go in, let's take a look at this really great kind of underused front patio area, which I kind of dressed up a little bit, but I think I could have done a better job. But it's nice. It's you could probably sit 4 or 6 people out here. Could even put a dining table out here and watch the neighborhood happenings. And then we're going to walk in. Let me show you a nice shot of the front door first. I'm going to pull back, show you this gorgeous door. If I don't trip. Beautiful solid hardwood door. Coming into the living room, the first thing that will catch your attention are the floors, which are gorgeous hardwood with anodized aluminum, 8 coats put down on these hardwood floors. They are so durable. They're gorgeous. They feel great to the touch, but they're really, really hard surface. So they'll take the wear and tear of your pets, of your kids. Walking into the living room, we've got a nice little space here, like a little entry wall for a great piece of furniture. As you see, the ceiling in the room is really pretty. It's like a half coved ceiling. Can lights above, hi-hats, can lights, whatever you want to call those. Over here, one of my favorite things about the entire house is original tile, Batchelder tile, from when the house was built in 1925. Really amazing detail on this one. And you'll love this. This is a horse and wagon scene right there, dead center, which is amazing. And there are 2 more tile inserts, one over here, one over here. These are the kind of things that really add value to an older home like this. And thank God they weren't removed by anyone during the course of all the years this house has been in existence. 95-year-old home. New windows, new doors, new Hunter Douglas shades throughout every room of the house. Slow down a little bit for you. Over here we have a gorgeous dining room, which is pretty much in the center of the property. And we're going to come back to that, but we're going to start over here in our first bedroom, which is a really, really good sized bedroom. I've opened up the blinds there so you can see how great the light is and how high the ceilings are. I think they're probably about 10 feet. Again, shot to the street. Beautiful setup for the bed. We've got an accent wall here in a really cool earth tone. Back over here, We've got a new bathroom finished in 2019. All renovations were finished in 2019. I'm waving to a few people. Hello. Katie Chin is watching. Sandy Stewart is watching. Hello, ladies. This bathroom, heated floors. For those nights in LA when it does get chilly, you can heat the floors the night or the morning to use your bathroom. Again, everything in this house is custom. Beautiful shower. Extra storage. If I don't drop my phone. Nice closet here, which is surprisingly large. Let me turn on the light for you. Whoops, closets are hard, guys. But you can see lots of room for your shoe collection. Got a pocket door as well, which is really nice. So the pocket door just kind of disappears. There we go. All right, that's bedroom number 1. We've got 2 more, plus we have an office, plus we have an amazing backyard. So moving through the dining room, coming back to the dining room, this is a really wonderful room because the opening into the dining room is very wide. And if you were going to have a holiday dinner and you wanted to seat 12 or maybe even 15 people, you could reverse your table, run your table this direction, and easily tip a little bit into this space and have room for 10, 12, even 15 guests for a holiday dinner. So we're now in the dining room, which again is just a very good size. Off the dining room, we have a great little patio, which we're going to look at in a minute. And we're going to walk over here first before we go to the other bedroom. And we're going to show you one of my favorite things, which is an office/Peloton room. So when you buy this house and you want to not go to the gym anymore, you could easily fit your Peloton equipment or any gym equipment in here, even your Pilates equipment. And then the beautiful part of this room is not only the windows, but a door out, the same door that takes you out, another door rather that takes you out of the dining room for a beautiful little courtyard. Could have your coffee out here, drinks in the evening, but the airflow is beautiful. The light is beautiful. Well, there I am. And then here is, I love this fleur-de-lis wallpaper. Moving around this way. If I'm going too fast, let me know. All right, here we go. All right, so we're going back to the other 2 bedrooms. The master is next. Very private, has its own little like alcove vestibule here. We walk in here and there's this gorgeous wallpaper that my clients found and were inspired by a trip to Bali. They've traveled all over the world, but this paper was really meaningful for them. So I've done a really brilliant use of using the wallpaper just on one wall. It's a great room, very private. It has 2 windows, plenty of room for artwork as well. As you can see, there's a great art wall right there. And then we turn this way and we go back in to the master bath, which is just beautiful with gorgeous tile here on the floor. A beautiful rich blue tile here in the shower. Window. Really cool light fixture above. And then over here, we've got a really great sized master closet. Also has a pocket door. So a lot of great space being saved with the use of pocket doors in this house. There we go. All right. Beautiful hardware on the doors, which you can see. We're going to go, before we get to the 3rd bedroom, we're going to go to the kitchen, which is just gorgeous. Right here, I'll squat down a little bit. We've got hand-painted tile bringing us into the kitchen. These countertops are absolutely gorgeous. It's a product called Rich Light, which is compressed paper. It feels soft. It's super durable. It's smooth. It's just so pretty. And on this really big island, we've got seating, which is wonderful. French doors out to the backyard. Beautiful fixtures. Incredible skylight that has to be 15 feet long. Over here to the left as you walk in, Very high-end Lieber refrigerator. Look at this gorgeous fridge and all that healthy food. We've got, of course, the requisite Viking stove. A lot of counter space. A lot of cabinet space under the island. Viking washing machine, what do you call this? Dishwasher, that's what we call that. Now, before we even go outside, off of this kitchen, there's yet another bedroom, a third bedroom. This would also be a great office or a kid's bedroom. It's got a lot of closets, got a wall of closets there. Cool green accent wall. Little TP for your doggy, I think. And then back here, we'll give you a little teaser of the backyard. 2 sets of French doors off the back of the property. And the back is incredible. But before we go out, we're going to go back into the kitchen. Quickly, right across the kitchen, there's another bathroom, 3/4 bathroom. So this bathroom would be used by the bedroom we just came from. And it's small, but it's really charming. It's got new fixtures, very cute color, and a full shower. And then here, I'm in the laundry room now, which is off the kitchen. We've got beautiful full-size washer dryer. Another window. I opened the shades today so you can see it. Lots of cabinet space. And in here you could put a microwave. It's pre-wired for that. But you'll see there's an entire wall. I'll pull back so you can see it. There's an entire wall of cabinetry there. So everything has been really thoroughly thought through. Very smart design. Very clean. And now, my friends, we will go outside. And I wish it were nighttime. I should maybe do one of these at night. But the backyard is spectacular. Every tile, every succulent plant, everything has been placed perfectly. Here we've got the beginning of some seating on the rear patio. Over here on the right, gorgeous sofa, seating for 4 or 5 more people. We've got a couple umbrellas open. We have twinkle lights throughout the property, which you can see above. It's a little bit of Wilshire, one of the big buildings on Wilshire there. These steps are uplit in the evening, so we're going to step down, but you can just see the thought that went into the placement of every single one of these plants, which are on a drip system. And again, a desert landscape, which everyone knows I love the desert. And then we come back this way, full protocarpus hedge, which is growing nicely. Give it about 6 more months and you'll have no idea you have neighbors. Beautiful pad back here, very large. For dining, you just saw a barbecue. We've got a big table out here with dining for 8. Stepping back around this way, just more garden space, plenty of room someday to add, in a heartbeat, a jacuzzi, a spa, also a pool. If you wanted to put in a pool one day, you easily could. We've got a 2-car garage over here, plenty of parking. And here's a really nice shot of the house from the rear. And very quiet. You know, I know it hasn't been the most quiet time in LA these days, but this house sits in its own little pocket. Very, very quiet. Pat Weaver, hello Pat Weaver. Amy Buchwald, Cindy Hartunian. Thank you everyone for tuning in. I hope you love it. We started showings on Friday. We do have an offer coming in. It will not last, as you can imagine. Let me show you one more thing. Gated side yard, which is really nice. And down there by that brown gate is your Tesla charger. We'll come back over here. I'm not sure of my time on camera, but I don't want to keep you too long. We're going to walk through the house one more time, and then I will thank you all for coming today. Going back into our gorgeous kitchen. Isn't this fun? Boom! Look at our dining room. I know you all love it. Again, look at that gorgeous living room with our hardwood floors and our Batchelder tile, and then back out to our lovely quiet street. So thank you all for coming. I really, really appreciate it. I hope this was helpful. and I hope to hear and see from you all soon. Bye now.